Environment Conservation and Protection say that as the years go by, there are ecosystems that are on the verge of extinction due to neglect, and yet they are vital. They request the government to increase efforts in educating people about the importance of preserving the environment. This is among the findings of the research carried out in Nyungwe National Park. We have the report. In Nyungwe National Park, certain species such as frogs, lizards and bats are on the verge of extinction. The ecosystem is not effectively preserved, despite the fact that it is crucial to the preservation of crops and the control of pests.
Frogs are among the species that can help reduce insects that cause diseases such as mosquitoes and other pests that can infect crops. Frogs are also important in the food web. It can also be food to birds such as ostrich.
Researchers say that there are various ways in which the ecosystem can be protected and exploited.
Rwanda is working on restoring some wetlands, for example, the Nyandungu Eco Park, and others such as Rugezi, as well as other forests. Yes, some efforts that the country is doing also needs a big amount of money, but through research carried out, we noticed that by identifying certain ecosystem and also know all the living organisms that live in it, can help you to know the nature of that ecosystem without using money. We did a research recently and found that in some of the damaged wetlands, there are species such as frogs that can't be found in any other eco park. Whenever you see that kind of frog, it tells you the nature of that wetland.
Professor Beth Kaplan, the director of the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resources Management at the University of Rwanda, point out that although the Rwandan government has already done many things regarding preserving the environment, there is need to double efforts in educating people about the importance of the ecosystem.
So neglected biodiversity, we can define it as species that we don't pay a lot of attention to, and a great example is